Eglo Records, Fatima, and myself, but this one's out on Apron Records. Up Eglo fam though, you know. Soothing. Here
I go again. Got my man Magnum. He's on the case.
That's the last tune wrapped from myself and Fatima. Go and see that, hear that, watch that.
I can't complain. My love is still strong. The damn thing changed. 'Cause girl, you know I don't know what you do, girl. Got to come home to me, girl. You're gonna do what you wanna do. As long as you bring that love. I know last time that I had played the field, and we kissed in the middle, but it still wasn't good enough. So you chose another lover who will be there to the end. Is he your winter friend? So you know that what you want, ain't nothing wrong. Only you, only you. I don't mind my baby. I'm still loving you. I got what you need. Ain't nothing wrong as long as you, I don't mind. Yes, I do love you. Yes, I do love you. Come on back, my baby. I'll be just fine. Come on home. I need you right here. I don't mind, girl. Baby,
I don't mind.
Only
sounds of Marcus Miller. Composed the movie Boomerang with Eddie Murphy. Correct, Marcus Miller. Stormy. Guys, what are you eating?
Coffee.
Sounds of Benedek and Devin Morrison. Emotional.